how to create a hover effect that will catch your eye in Wix Studio. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So if you don't have an account yet, go to Wix sign up. You can sign up using your email address, or you can sign up using your Google account or Facebook account. So once you have created an account here in Wix, then this is your Wix dashboard. And in order for you to create a new design, you just have to click Sites and then create new site here. You can select create or start with a blank canvas. So this is the blank canvas and this is a blank page right here. The first thing you should do is you have to click this plus icon and look for the repeater element. Tap this one and you will see this. Okay, so repeater, it means whatever you add to the first frame, it will be added to the following frames right here. So I think this one is just a little, so I'm going to add more elements or more frame or element here. So I'm going to add. So let me Control A or copy and then Control V, or you just have to look for add elements here. So let me drag this one and then look for add element. Okay, let me look for that. I think you have to click all of this till you see add element. So here it is. And I'm going to expand this. I'm going to click this circle to adjust the size. And this is what it looks like. So what we're going to do is we're going to add images here and add background image. So the next thing to do is you have to go to gaps and then you have to change this to 35. Okay. Also here 35. So both 35. And after that, the next thing to do is go to your background, change the background color, whatever you want. For me, it's white. It will follow everything here because it's repeater. So if the color of the background is white, then all background color is color white. Now go to corners, change this to 50. And then you can apply other effects such as shadows. For the angle, everything is up to you. So you just have to scroll down here if you want to, adjust some changes with the effect. So everything is up to you. And then once you're done with this, the next thing you should do is add pictures or add media. So make sure that you're done with the effects right here. But don't worry, if you want to add effects later, you can do that. So let us go first and add some image here. Go to image and then add or upload media here. So you can upload, you can get from their gallery, or you can upload from your computer, Google Photos, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, and so on. So for me, I'm going to upload from my computer and then I'm going to add this picture to page. So as you can see here, if I'm going to tap this and add this to the repeater frame right here, it will be added to all frames. Okay, as you can see, if I'm going to drag it right here, it will follow. That is the repeater element or option here in Wix Studio. So if you want to change, just click and then change image. So I have added a few images here. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to click change image and then tap that image that I want to replace or I want to add here on my Wix Studio. Okay, so I have to do it, or you have to do it one by one. Tap change image again and then look for that image. You can also get from your gallery or Wix gallery if you want. So here it is, it's complete. Now the next thing we should do is we're going to add a background image. So you could just simply drag an image right here. And then it's the same thing. You can simply add, upload from the computer or upload from Google Photos or Google Drive, add it right here. And in order for you to set this as your background, you can go to layer and rearrange, or you can just basically do it right here. So you can now add the background image. You just have to click change image and then add the image or that specific image. You can add it from your computer again or from your Instagram, Facebook, and so on. Okay, so as you can see, this are the background. It's the same thing. So actually, I wanted to change the background. I don't want it to be the same as my picture or my image right here. So I have added other images and I have drag this image or change the image, and this is the result. So I have here the background image. So like what I've mentioned earlier, if you want to set this as image background, you have to rearrange the image right here. Just go to add layer and then change everything. Now let's add some effects or animation. Just click item and then go to animations and effects, go to hover, and then click add right here. So basically, if you want to change the effect or add some animation effect with a specific image, for example, the Candice or candy image, you can just click that one, go to animation, go to hover, and then look for the specific effect that you want. For the background, just click the background, same thing, go to animation and effect, go to hover, and then select that specific animation that you want. If you want to custom or customize the design, just click and then look for custom design or custom effect. And then you can just simply drag, change everything here. You can tap preview before you publish. You can click preview to see the result of the effects right here. So if I'm going to tap preview, or if I'm going to click this eye icon above, then I can see the result before I can publish this. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now, like what I mentioned earlier, for background, you can do the same thing. Okay, just click, go to animation and effect, go to hover, and then look for the specific animation that you want. So now I'm going to click preview. And yes, this is the result. And actually, if you don't like the result, then don't worry, you can go back to editor and then change the animation right here. So as you can see, if I'm going to move the cursor to that specific image, you will see the animation. Okay, so basically that's it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.